ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद उद्गीत ब्राह्मण. In this we are seeing 8th mantra introduction now, page number 106. So the prana upasana phalam was given at the end of 7th mantra, that the dvishantah bhratruvyaha, they all will become nashta, parabhavati. Now tika phalavat प्रधानोपास्तेः उक्तत्वात् ते होचुः इत्यादि उत्तरवाक्यं गुणोपास्ति परम इत्याशंक्य आह. फलवत् प्रधानोपास्तेः उक्तत्वात्. प्रधान उपासना is means मुख्य उपासना is of प्राण उपासना which is फलवत् means फलवान, मतु प्रत्यय, फल वाली, फल देने वाली जो प्रधान प्राण उपासना है, that उक्तत्वात् is already said. te ho ha uchuhu, te ho chuhu is the next mantra beginning, 8th mantra. te ho chuhu ityadi उत्तर वाक्यम गुणोपास्ति परम इति आशंका आह. Somebody thinks that this is guna upasti param vakyam, means this is gauna. Guna means two things. Either it can be gauna bhava, gauna upasana, not because pradhana, as against pradhana, the other thing is gauna, mukhya and amukhya, like that. Or based on specific guna, if you do upasana, then also it is called guna upasana. So gunopasti param iti ashankyaha. फलम भाष्य फलम उपसंहृत्य अधुना आख्यायिका रूपम एव आश्रित्य आह. फलम is already given, उपसंहार is done. फलम उपसंहृत्य अधुना आख्यायिका रूपम एव आश्रित्य. Now आख्यायिका आश्रय is taken. आख्यायिका शब्द we should understand, like in all Upanishads there will be some आख्यायिका. Nachiketa, Yamacharya आख्यायिका is there. Shvetaketu and Uddalak Muni, their आख्यायिका, or Narad ji, or Indra going to Brahma ji along with Virochana. All these are आख्यायिका. आख्यायिका in Veda means we don't know whether this has actually happened or not. We can't prove it, we can't disprove it also. We also cannot say that it happened and then it is all noted down. ऐसा नहीं है. It cannot be like that, because Vedas are anadi and apaurushaya. So there is nothing which has any adi in it. No starting can be there in that Veda. That earlier it was not there. Now this has been introduced. That also is not possible in Veda. In other words, these akhyayikas have some other prayojanam. the objective of such stories is not what is there literally, the main thing. If it has not happened in future, that is also possible. Akhyayika, if there was no Nachiketa earlier in this kalpa, it can still happen because the kalpa is remaining, and any time anything can happen. So like that here also, if somebody says Akhyayika, all this, can it happen, this, that, the objective is something else. That is where our focus should be. Akhyayika rupam eva ashritya aha. In tika, फलवंतम प्रधान विधिम उक्त्वा संप्रति आख्यायिकाम एव आश्रित्य गुण विशिष्टम प्राणोपासनम आह अनंतर श्रुतिरित्यर्थः. फलवंतम प्रधान विधिम उक्त्वा, प्रधान विधि, the main instruction is pranopasana. Vidhi means injunction. So that mukhya injunction is already given, and that has a phalam also, because when vidhi is there, phalam also is required. Otherwise vidhi has no meaning. Vidhi muktva samprati, samprati idani. Now akhyayikam eva ashritya, again Upanishad goes back to akhyayika. Guna vishishtam pranopasanam aha anantara shruti. The next shruti, anantara shruti, means the following shruti. What it talks of? Guna vishishtam pranopasanam. So now two gunas are mentioned of this prana. Gunas means qualities or attributes. Shankottaratvena cha uttara grantham avatarayati. The answer to the shanka, shankayaha uttaram, shankottaram, tathatvena, shankottaratvena cha uttara grantham avatarayati. The following text is being introduced now. Kasmacha hetor वागादीन मुक्त्वा मुख्य एव प्राण आत्मत्वेन आश्रयितव्य इति. For what reason? For what reason also kasmacha is given. Kasmacha hetor vagadin muktva, having given up vagadi indriya, mukhya eva prana, this mukhya prana atmatvena ashrayitavya. It should be taken as atma, means the self. Mukhya prana should be taken as the self. Means aham prana. In this way upasana should be done. If it is said Hiranyagarbha, you should take as Atma, means Aham Hiranyagarbha, in this way. Ashrayitavya iti tad upapatti nirupanaya yasmad ayam vagadinam pindadinam cha sadharana आत्मा इति एतमर्थम आख्यायिकया दर्शयन्त्याह श्रुतिः. तद उपपत्ति निरूपणाय, that tat we are going to connect later. Okay, so you note that tat. उपपत्ति निरूपणाय यस्माद् अयं वागादीनां पिंडादीनां च साधारण आत्मा. This prana is Atma, means the self. It pervades and it nourishes all. Who? Vagadinam, Pindadinam, all Indriyas and all Sthula Padarthas, which are the Golaka. Pinda here means the Golaka Ityadi. Pindadinam cha Sadharana Atma iti ayam artham आख्यायिकया दर्शयन्ति आह श्रुतिः. दर्शयन्ति श्रुतिः आह. क्रियापद is आह. दर्शयन्ति is दृश्य पश्य धातु. In that first nijant, because ya is there. Darshayanti. And then Shatru Pratyaya. And it is Strilinga Shabda. So Darshayanti. Nijanta, Shatranta. So Akhyayika is showing this what? That this prana is the Atma of Vagadi and Pindadi. This is the whole objective of this Akhyayika. Therefore, it has Pradhanya. Tika. Vishuddhatvasya uktatvat hetvantaram jignasyam iti dyotaitum cha shabdah. So, what is the first guna of prana? Vishuddhatva. Because we already saw prana did not get affected by these asuras trying to do anything because it was pure. It did not keep anything for itself and then distributed whatever other things were. So Vishuddhatvasya uktatvat. Hetvantaram jignasyam. Another hetu. Hetvantaram anyo hetuhu hetvantaram. Another hetu. For that there is jignasa. Tad dyotaitum cha shabdah. Which cha shabdah? Tasmat cha. In the previous page on 106 in Bhashya, Tasmat cha. That cha, that's why I said, for which another hetu. Well, one hetu we already understood that it is Vishuddha. So now another hetu is given. Karananam karyasya tad avayavanam cha prano yasmad atma vyapakas. Karananam karyasya tad avayavanam cha. So karananam prana atma. Karyasya atma prana. Tad avayavanam atma prana. In this way. Karananam karyasya tad avayavanam cha prana yasmad atma. So this atma is vyapakah. Atma is vyapaka. Tasmat sa eva ashrayitavya iti upapatti nirupanartham. So this is the vyapakatvam. Because atma is vyapaka, therefore sa eva ashrayitavya. Therefore, ashraya should be taken of that prana. Iti upapatti nirupanartham. Upapatti, this is the yukti. Upapatti, 5 number tippani. उक्तस्य अर्थस्य उपपत्तिभिर निरूपणार्थम इत्यर्थ. तस्य व्यापकत्वम इति एतम अर्थम आख्यायिकया दर्शयन्ति श्रुतिर. See, how many times you see आख्यायिका शब्द is coming. Akhyayika's objective should be clear. Then we will not have any confusion. आख्यायिकया दर्शयन्ति श्रुतिर हेत्वंतरम आह इति योजना. Another hetu it is providing that why prana is to be taken as atma. Yojana. Tat shabdas tasmadarthe. This tat is what I told you earlier. Tad upapatti nirupanaya. That for yukti, tat shabda tas is for tasmat. Tasmat karanaya. For that reason. Then there is a correction. Pranasya. Pranasya is given, right? In Tika. So make it pranasya. Pranasya atmatvat. Pranasya atmatvadi vyakti kartum akhyayika shrutim vibhajate. प्राणस्य आत्मत्वादि, प्राण इज माय आत्मा, आत्मत्वादि व्यक्ति कर्तुम, फॉर एक्सप्रेसिंग दिस, फॉर रिवीलिंग दिस, आख्यायिका श्रुति विभजते, दिस आख्यायिका श्रुति विभाग इज डन, ते प्रजापति. So now first we will see the mantra. ते होचुहु क्व नु सो अभूत यो न इत्थम असक्ते त्ययमास्येन्तरिति सो यास्य आंगिरसो अंगानां हि रसः. So the split is te ha uchuhu क्व नु सो अभूत यो न means नहा इत्थम असक्त इति अयम आस्ये अंतरि अंतः, आस्ये अंतः इति सो अयास्य आंगिरसो अंगानां हि रसः. So in this mantra, two qualities are given, two gunas of prana. What are they? Ayasya, one name of this is Asya Bhavo Ayasya. Ayasya is one name of prana. And another is Angirasaha. Anganam hi rasaha Angirasaha. Because it is the essence of all angas, all parts, all limbs. प्राण का आश्रय आत्मा है. So that is the further thinking, that when you inquire, the prana is also there because of something else. Prana is able to function because of something else. What is the Shruti? Na pranena martyo jivati kasyana itarena tu jivanti yasmin eta upashritau. So it is given in Shruti, yasmin etau, etau pranapanau upashritau saha anya eva, that is Atma. So this is aupacharika. Until I am ready to know Atma, I am told first you understand this prana, because of which this breathing in and out, everything is happening. The life force, this is prana. And when I understand Atma is beyond this, then I move on. If my attention is on Deha, which is so sthula, so first I have to move this attention to Sukshma. So it's a gradual change. So now see the mantra. Teha uchuhu. Te ke devaha. Devatas, they said. So in the English word for word, this is given. Teha uchuhu. Te means devas, uchuhu. Kwa nu saha abhut. Kwa means where. Where nu, indeed, saha, this, whoever he, Atma, means a prana. This prana, where was he? Abhut. Means now they want to know its location. Then only asya, mukhe, bhavaha, it will be given. Itham, yo na itham asakta, yaha, who, naha, to us, asakta, in this way. Itham means in this way who freed us, or here who freed us. Who, where is he, this prana? Iti ayam asye antaha iti. He is in this asya. Asya means mukham. Mukham means in the mouth, you say, and as well as nasika. Mukha nasika bhyam, in both these places. Tulyasya pratyaya Savarnam. So it is there here in this way you understand, because it expresses when the nose is functioning, we breathe through nose. Otherwise, completely blocked, then you have to open your mouth. So Ayasya, Ayasya, its name is Ayasya, and Angirasaha, Anganam Hirasaha, Angirasaha. So in the word for word, Angirasa is Angirasa given, Angirasa you have to make. Rasa means the essence. Now let us see Bhashya. ते प्रजापति प्राण मुख्येन प्राणेन परिप्रापित देवस्वरूपा होचुः उक्तवन्तः फलावस्थाः. ते प्रजापति प्राणाः मुख्येन प्राणेन परिप्रापित देवस्वरूपा होचुः उक्तवन्तः. These प्रजापति प्राणाः, they are मुख्य प्राणेन परिप्रापित देवस्वरूपाः. ते, see, the main word in the mantra is te hochuhu. Te means these devaswarupaha. Which devaswarupa? Those who have now attained devatva. Means they were devatas, but their glory was tarnished, weakened. Now it has been brought back. Mukhyena pranena. And how did they get it back? Through Mukhya prana. Prajapati pranaha uchuhu. Te Prajapati pranaha uchuhu. Prajapati pranaha means all these devatas, presiding deities. Uktavantah phalavasthaha. Kim ityaha. What did they say? Kva nu iti vitarke. So in the mantra it is given, Kva nu so abhut. Kva nu is the vitarka. Vitarka means they are wondering. Where? Thinking. Here, there, where? This is vitarka. Kva nu, kasmin nu so abhut. Kasmin, in which location was this prana? Kaha, about whom are you talking? Saha kaha. Yaha means yo no asman itham evam asakta san jitavan deva bhavam atmatvena upagamitavan. Asakta san, Bhashyakar has given asakta in this way. Asakta san jitavan, upagamitavan. Asakta can mean sanjitavan or asakta san jitavan deva bhavam atmatvena upagamitavan. Sanjitavan, san is upasarga only, sam plus jitavan. If you in mantra, how it is given for this, yo na itham asakta iti. Asakta means who brought us to our own glory. In this meaning it is taken. And what is that? Deva bhavam atmatvena upagamitavan. We all could attain our deva bhavam. स्मरन्ति हि लोके केनचित् उपकृता उपकारिणं लोकवत् एव स्मरन्तो विचारयमाणाः कार्यकरण संघात आत्मनि एव उपलब्धवन्तः. स्मरन्ति हि लोके, in टीका first let us see, वागादयश्चेत् प्राणम् आश्रित्य फलावस्थाः तर्हि किमिति प्राणं स्मरन्ति। वागादयश्चेत् प्राणम् आश्रित्य फलावस्थाः, वागादि when they took the ashraya of prana, then they could express themselves as presiding deities. So Vag was able to express as Agni Devata, like that. 7 number tippani. Phalavasthaha means Agnyadi Deva Bhava Pannaha. So those students who are, when I teach and from Bhashya and Tika, they are able to gather the meaning right away, more or less. Then what they should do is, the tippanis which are given, immediately just quickly look at that and try to understand if any additional helpful meaning is there in that tippani. If I cover that tippani, then of course you will know that, but otherwise also now and then keep paying attention to the tippani. It helps. So वागादयश्चेत् प्राणम् आश्रित्य फलावस्थाः तर्हि किमिति प्राणं स्मरन्ति प्राप्तफलत्वात् इति आशंक्याः. Then why pranam smaranti? Why are they remembering or thinking of prana? Because they have already attained the result. Prapta phalatvat, praptam phalam yehi vaga divihi indriyehi iti ashankyaha smaranti hi loke in bhashya. So in the world, people, if they are upakrita means they are favored by someone, then they remember the person who has done any favor, the upakari. Kenachid upakrita loke upakarinam smaranti. Up to this is the drashtanta. Like that, lokavat eva smarantaha devaha, they also started thinking, we got so much glory, who that was. So in Kenopanishad, it is given as yaksha. Yaksha, it is the yaksha because of whom we could attain our glory. So then there the question was, who was that yaksha? Because they did not know. Here it is prana. In other words, it is Paramatma who has Vishuddhatva, Vyapakatva, Samatva, Angirasatva, and whatever other gunas that you use. That Paramatma is the one who brings glory to all this. Lokavadeva smarantaha vicharayamanaha. Devata started thinking. Just like in the world, people think कार्य कारण करण संघाते आत्मनि एव उपलब्धवन्तः. And when they were thinking smarantah, so when they were thinking, then what happened? In the karya karana sanghata itself, they found prana. They could recognize, oh, it is here only, it's not elsewhere. All these vakyas, you can understand, they can be applied for Chaitanya also, if prana shabda is not there. That it is also upakari, because of which all these things are functioning. Exactly in Kenopanishad, all indriyas, shrotrasya shrotram, manaso mana, even pranasya prana. Swamiji's question. Prana is also ashrita in mukhya atma only. So it is prana of even this prana. And what is that? That is you. That is atma, that is chaitanya. So there, one step further is also explained. Simple things. Atmani eva upalabdhavantah. So vicharayamanaha, when they did the thinking, विचारात् जायते बोधो अनिच्छा यं निवर्तयेत, यं न निवर्तयेत. Through vichara, jnanam will take place. Even if you don't want, jnanam will still come. Why? Because you have done inquiry. When you think, knowledge will be clear. स्वोत्पत्ति मात्रा संसारे दहत्यखिल सत्यताम. This is Panchadashi shloka. स्व उत्पत्ति मात्रात, by its own उत्पत्ति मात्र, बोध, by its उत्पत्ति मात्र, संसारे अखिल सत्यताम दहति. सत्यत्व बुद्धि will go away. That is why vichara is required. Just repetition is not good. Inquiry is must. This is Panchadashi, 9th chapter, 75th shloka. 975. ताम एव उपलब्धिम आकांक्षा द्वारेण विवृणोति. ताम उपलब्धिम, that उपलब्धि of prana, आकांक्षा द्वारेण विवृणोति. Through आकांक्षा its विवरणम is done. कथम? अयम आस्ये अंतः इति. आस्ये मुखे आकाशः तस्मिन् अंतः अयम प्रत्यक्षो वर्तते. This prana is there in the mukham. Asya mukhe. So there is akasha. In that antaha ayam pratyaksho vartate. It is there. Pratyaksha means very clearly it is available in this mukham. Vartate iti. Tika. Drashtantam spashtayati. Sarvo hi loko vicharya adhyavasyati. Tatha devaha. What is being shown here? Everybody, they come to a conclusion after some thinking, some deliberation. Anybody, whoever that person is. Now, whether that thinking is correct or not is a different matter. If my thinking is influenced by my raga dvesha, then I will come to different conclusion. If there is proper pramana and I have used that, then I will come to right conclusion. But vichara is the preceding step. Nishchaya, adhyavasaya is the following one. That is irrefutable. Same thing Devas did. Tatha in Tika, Deva vicharya pranam आस्यंतर आकाशस्थम निर्धारितवंत इत्याह. So in this way now Devaha vicharya, having conducted the inquiry, pranam asyantara akashastham nirdharitavantah. They concluded that this prana, where is it located? In the akasha, in the space, inside the mouth. Asyantara akasha. Asya means mukha. Space inside the mouth is where prana is. In this way they concluded. Nirdharitavantaha ityaha tatha devaha. Kim anaya kathaya siddham. Now he says, what is the conclusion of this katha, akhyayika? Because Katha in particular, like in Bhagavad Purana and all, long kathas are there sometimes. That somebody is there and he went to this place and something happened, that thing happened. In the daytime he became man and nighttime he became woman. And people have so many questions about that. The whole purpose is actually of those kathas is to develop bhakti for Bhagavan. Unconditional love for Bhagavan. Instead, people go on this and then they say this is all mythology and all. Objective is something else. People are so attached to small things and they cry for petty things. They say leave all this and move your mind, attach your mind to Bhagavan. So those things, if we don't capture, then we lose the whole spirit. Here somebody is asking, किम अनया कथया सिद्धम इत्याशंक्याः यस्मात् अयम अंतः आकाशे अंतराकाशे अंतः आकाशे अंतराकाशे वागादि आत्मत्वेन विशेषम अनाश्रित्य वर्तमाने उपलब्धः देवैः. This prana which was made available by devata, devaihi upalabdha, vartamanah, vartamane, vishesham anashritya vartamanah. It is nirvishesha. Prana is also nirvishesha. Why? It is there in everyone. Vag indriya also, chakshur indriya, manaha, in all of them. उपलब्धो देवैहि. तस्मात् स प्राणो अयास्यः विशेष अनाश्रयत्वाच्च असक्त सन् असक्त संजितवान् वागादीन्. संजितवान् in टीका it is given. First, उपलब्धि सिद्धि अर्थे युक्तिम समुच्चिनोति विशेष विशेष अनाश्रयत्वात्. Prana does not have any vishesha ashraya. It is sarvasadharana. It is there in all. सर्वानेव वागादीन अविशेषेण अज्ञादि भावेन प्राणः संजितवान. Here संजितवान you can take as one shabda. Pranaha, what it did, it brought all these indriyas back to their glory. Vagadin avisheshena agnyadi bhava prapti, because presiding deity of Vaga is Agni. न च अमध्यस्थः साधारणं कार्यं निर्वर्तयति. It has to be madhyastha. Madhyastha means the one who is on either side. Only that person can do sadharanam karyam. Amadhyastha cannot do. Means he can accomplish something for both parties actually. Amadhyastha cannot do. Two parties in the sense, so madhyastha means he is in the middle of any two. So here prana is in the middle of indriya and vishaya. Shrotra indriya and shabda. In between, prana has to function. Or you see, between indriya and mind. Asadharana karana is indriya. Mind is sadharana karana. But in between also prana has to be. Then between atma and mind also prana. Because prana is the one, the moment prana leaves the connection, all sanghata is disconnected. अतो युक्ति तो अपि अयम अस्य अस्यांतः आकाशे वर्तमानः सिद्ध इत्यर्थः. Therefore, this is there in the akasha, in the mukhakasha. This is siddha ityarthah. Ayasyatvavat angirasatvam gunantaram darshayati. So first here is ayasyatvam. Vyapakatvam is there. So vishuddhatvam, vyapakatvam. Now ayasyatvam and angirasatvam. Ayasyatvam, so that I can focus there, like this chakra dhyanam. Muladhara chakra, there you do dhyanam. Next chakra, there you do dhyanam. In this way. In Bhashya, Atayeva Angirasa, Atma Karya Karananam. And for this reason, it is also called Angirasa, Atma of Karya Karana Sanghata. Atma means 4 number tippani, Swarupa Bhuta ityartha. हेतुगर्भ विशेषणम इदम प्राणस्य, हेतुगर्भ विशेषणम, विच विशेषणम, आंगिरस, आंगिरस इज हेतुगर्भ विशेषणम because it is anganam rasah in this. Katham angirasah, this is the question raised in Tika. Why angirasatvam? So first it is given sarva sadharanatvad eva iti yavat. Tathapi kuto asya angirasatvam, sarva sadharana it is there, but why it is called angirasa? Angirasatvam sadharane api nabhasi tad anupalabdehe. Akasha is also sarva sadharana. Do you call Akasha as angirasa? No. So if prana is sarva sadharana, why do you call prana as angirasa? इति आशंक्य परिहरति. कथम, कथम पुनरांगिरस, कथम पुनः कथम आंगिरस, कथम आंगिरस, अंगेषु चरम धातोः सारत्व प्रसिद्धेर न प्राणस्य तथात्वम इति शंकित्वा समाधत्ते. I am going to complete this mantra, so have patience. Angeshu charama dhatu, in the anga the charama dhatu is called sara. Angeshu charama dhatu saratva prasiddhe. So charama dhatu actually is called virya. Charama means antima, last one is virya. The most external is the skin, external skin. Then this is twak, and then inside majja, asthi, majjasthi, pala, rakta, majjasthi. There is a shloka, that's what I was thinking. In Vivek Chudamani, this shloka comes. But Rakta is there. Rakta Sara is this Virya. Majjasti Meda. Majjasti Medo Pala Rakta Charma Twak. These are Sapta Dhatu given in Vivek Chudamani. But normally what we say, instead of saying Twak and Charma as two, if you use only one for skin, Majja Asti Meda. Meda means fat. Majja means marrow. Majja Asti, bone. Majja Asti Meda. Pala Rakta Charma. Pala is the snayu, etc. Rakta, blood. Charma and Twak, instead of there two, if you take one of them as skin, the other will be Shukra or Virya, which is the essence. That is what is given here. अंगेषु चरम धातोः सारत्व प्रसिद्धेः न प्राणस्य तथात्वम. Somebody says prana is not like that. Prana is not virya or shukra. Why do you say it is mukhya? Iti ashankitva samadhatte. In bhashya, प्रसिद्धम ही एतद अंगानां कार्यकरण लक्षणानां रसः सार आत्मा इत्यर्थः. It is very well known that this is the sara, rasah, prana is atma. Why? Because of that, it is all the angas, the parts, karya, karana, lakshana, they are able to function. Katham puna angarasatvam tadapaye shosha praptehe iti vakshyamah. How Angarasatvam is there? That tadapaye, in its absence, shosha prapti, shosha, shush dhatu, shushoshane. In that, ghaya pratyaya will make it shosha. Sukh jana, in Hindi we say, getting dried. So in the absence of rasa, things get dried. Instead of in the absence of prana, this will be said vakshyamaha. Yasmachayam angarasatvad visheshan vishesha अनाश्रयत्वाच्च कार्यकरणानां साधारण आत्मा विशुद्धश्च. So because it doesn't have any vishesha ashraya, vishesha anashrayatvaच्च कार्यकरणानां साधारण आत्मा विशुद्धश्च तस्माद् वागादीन अपास्य प्राण एव आत्मत्वेन आश्रयितव्य. So therefore prana should be taken as atma, not vagadi iti vakyarthah. टीका कस्माच्च हेतु हो इत्यादि चोद्य परिहारम उपसंहरति यस्माच्च. For what reason that they are taken, prana is taken as mukhya atma, so here it is given yasmat, therefore tasmat, because it is nirvishesha and it is vishuddha, etc. इति वाक्यार्थः. वाक्यार्थं प्रपंचयति. आत्मा ही आत्मत्वेन उपगंतव्यः. अविपरीत बोधात् श्रेय प्राप्तेर विपर्यये च अनिष्ट प्राप्ति दर्शनात्. आत्मा alone should be understood as आत्मा. आत्मा ही आत्मत्वेन उपगंतव्यः. Why? Because it is aviparita jnanam. It is not viparita. Rajju is aviparita jnana. Rajju is sarpa is viparita jnana. So that aviparita jnanam will give shreya prapti. So here, instead of vagadi indriya, prana should be taken as atma. This is first step. Then, instead of prana, mukhya atma should be taken as atma. By this, shreya prapti and anishta nivritti. Otherwise, viparyaye anishta prapti darshanat. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.